Hello friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is called dumplings and also called as momos in India and Nepal. Very famous Indian street food, very simple to make, at the same time very interesting techniques to it. Without wasting further time, let's get started. I'm taking plain flour in my dough mixer, adding some oil, some salt and water as needed. Keep on adding water until it turns into a nice and soft dough like this, and take out in a bowl and cover it for 30 minutes. Now I have taken pan, add some oil to it. I have some garlic paste, saute it. I'll start adding my shredded vegetables into it. I've taken some carrots, some mushrooms. You can add any of your choice. This is my cabbage and some broccoli. Give it a stir. Add some spring onions, some soy sauce, some crushed black pepper, and some salt to taste. Now I'm adding some Momos masala. You can get it from any Indian shops. Cook until the water evaporates and this whole mixture dries. And in the last, I'm adding some coriander leaves. Make sure the whole water dries before you turn off the flame. My mixture is almost ready. And then we'll just cover it, turn off the flame and then cool it down. Now the dumpling sheets. I have mixer roller with me. You can see I'm taking out the sheet out of the roller like this, but I'll show you the other methods with hand roller as well. So I'm cutting it with my cutter. You can use any sharp edged glass or anything to cut, like give them a round shape like this. And now this is my hand roller, and make a thin sheet out of it like this, and then again I cut it in a round shape. Make sure you apply a lot of plain flour, dry plain flour, to put it on the plate, otherwise they can stick to each other, which is not very nice experience, to be honest. And this is my third method, which I have taken some small, very small balls, and I'm rolling it individually into very small round sheets. Keep on sprinkling dry plain flour, which is very important tip to follow. Now our sheets are ready, and now we'll start making our dumplings out of them. I've taken one sheet, take the cold mixture, put it in the middle, and we'll apply some water on that, just on the edges, not on the whole sheet. And we'll start twisting it in a round shape like this and just close it on the top. I'll show you again. So I have taken the mixture in the middle, which is cold, and now I'm applying water on the edges, and we'll take from one side and keep on twisting anti-clockwise. until whole sheets just closes, and I'll just close it and twist it from the top to close it whole. There is another way of making them. It's a little bit different, but you can give any shape to it. So again, I've put the mixture in the middle, applying some water on the edges, and I've just fold it in a half like this, and now I'll start twisting it from one end to another like this. So there's several ways to make it. Some people just use fork as well, just to close it and give it a semicircle shape as well, like a half moon. You can use that as well. The momos are ready. Now it's time for steaming them. I've just applied some parchment paper or butter paper at the bottom, and we'll just cover them and steam them for approximately 10-15 minutes. And after 10-15 minutes, my momos are ready and steamed nicely, and I'm just serving them in a plate with my chutney, tomato chutney or tomato sauce, which I made specially for dumplings or momos, and I'll share that recipe with you guys very soon as well. This is the one I'm using. You can also serve it with any kind of sauce you like, or mayonnaise as well. And I'm showing you another way of doing them, that is fried momos. I've taken my raw momos, uncooked ones, and just frying them with hot oil like this, turning them around until they turn golden brown. They're very simple to make. They're ready. Now it's time to serve them as well. Okay, now I'm just putting them in a plate and serving with my chutney like this, or sauce, tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Please try them making at home. Enjoy.
Thank you so much for giving me all the love and support for the videos and recipes I share with you, and I'll try my best to keep on sharing and bringing all my videos to you in future as well. Thank you so much.